We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we're going to show you how to change the toner, and we're working with an HP Laserjet P2035, and it takes an 05A/05X. So first you're going to press this little button on the top right. That'll open this front door. You're just going to grab the toner and pull it straight out, just like so. Grab your new one, then put it in, straight on, then it'll click in place. Then you shut the little door. It's okay to push it a little. If you guys need a quote or any supplies, just give us a call and you have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.